Hello, in this video I will show you how to enter recovery mode on a Samsung Galaxy F56. So you have to start by swiping down your screen and then power off your device. And now when your device is completely powered off, you have to plug it in and then press power button and volume up button. When you see your logo on your screen, you can let go of power button. And as you can see, I'm now in recovery mode, and here you have to navigate with volume buttons and select with power button. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.